11 years in development come to an end as the drivers are lining up. We are seconds away from this historic start. The last pieces of the model are put down. It's lights out and oh no, what just happened?
It's a beautiful morning. People all over the world are excited. Everyone has been waiting for this day, the latest spectacle in racing history. The Grand Prix of Monaco, the world's first autonomously driven formula race in a scale of 1 to 87. A realistic racing simulation made possible by over 100,000 lines of code, 8,500 sensors, and 200 circuit boards along this 22-meter track. A miracle in miniature created with human passion. While the drivers are preparing, let's look at this magnificent city. The Oceanography Museum with all those amazing discoveries by Jacques Cousteau. The Cathedrale de Notre-Dame Immaculée, where Grace Kelly got married.
The prince and princess leave the cathedral to greet their cheering people.
And of course, the palace, home of Prince Albert and his wife, Princess Charlene. But now it looks like the race is about to start.
Good morning. It is race day today at the Grand Prix in Monaco. We are only minutes away from the start as the drivers are getting ready for the most anticipated race of the year. Each car has its own driver with a unique personality and different specifications for tires, brakes, and other parts. Therefore, every race is unpredictable and thrilling to the bone. It's lights out and away we go! Red Bull has the pole position and pulls away. Every driver is fighting for the top spot, trying to find the opening. And they're already at the Massenet. Red Bull in the lead, directly followed by Mercedes and Ferrari. Aston Martin tries to squeeze through, but fails. Ferrari goes first into the Fairmont hairpin. Red Bull with the strong follow. McLaren attacking from behind, but Racing Bulls won't let them pass. And into the tunnel they go. Sauber and Alpine emerging, and Alpine with the bold overtake. McLaren with DRS increasing the gap, and the fans are cheering from their private yachts or one of the 8 spectator stands. The first lap is almost done, ladies and gentlemen, so let's breathe for a moment and enjoy the beauty of Monte Carlo. The drivers have now passed the Hotel de Paris, where the fans are watching the race from their balconies or the terrace. Here we now see the casino, where guests can gamble to their heart's content or show off their own sports cars. In the Café de Paris, patrons can watch the race while enjoying a prestigious meal. This Monaco Grand Prix is over, ladies and gentlemen, and Ferrari is now in the lead, but the race is far from finished as night falls over the Côte d'Azur.
More than 20,000 LEDs illuminate this city. In the yacht club alone, 5,000 LEDs have been installed. Nearly 200 yachts are moored in the harbour, where people are enjoying the nightlife. If you'd like to join them, you have 35 party scenes all over the city to choose from. Thousands of people populate the streets of Monaco, the 300 buildings and historic sites. In development, almost 6 years in construction, and 150,000 hours of labor invested. With an area of 70 square meters and construction costs of over 5 million euros, Monaco is the new highlight of Miniature Wonderland. In total, our 60 cars have completed over 850,000 test laps before the opening.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The race is coming to an end, and Ferrari and Red Bull are fighting for the top spot in Monaco. Red Bull in the lead, but Ferrari Ferrari is chasing. It's going to be tight, and he overtakes. I can't believe it. Ferrari now in the lead. Blue flag for the other Red Bull driver. It's the finish line, ladies and gentlemen. The Grand Prix of Monaco is in the books. First place to Leclerc, Verstappen in second, and Tsunoda in third.
Monaco, the new section of Miniature Wonderland. Home of 13 worlds, over 1,200 trains, 16 kilometers of tracks, and 11,000 cars, 300 of which are driving on their own. It is the largest model railway in the world and one of Europe's most popular sites, with over 1.4 million visitors per year.